This is SAT practice packet number 7, problem number 9. 12 baseball cards were sold at an average price of $3 a card. If some of the cards cost $5 each and the rest cost $2 each, how many $5 cards were sold? So the first thing I want to do is I want to circle all the information. There's a lot of information given here, so we want to make sure that we understand every piece of it. The first part is that there are 12 baseball cards sold. So in total, we are working with a total of 12 cards sold. They were sold at an average price of $3 a card. So our average price was $3 per card. If some of the cards cost $5 each and the rest cost $2 each, how many $5 cards were sold? So we know that we have some cards that cost $5 and some cards that cost $2. Okay? So this is a great problem for us to pick one of the answers and use it to see if it works or not. So it's a plug-in strategy. Here, because we don't really have an idea, we want to start in the middle. Once we work with 6, if it's not correct, then we can see, should I go down in number or should I go up in number? And it'll make sense as we work through it. Okay, so first let's pick 6 cards. Let's say 6 cards were sold at $5 each. Well, if 6 cards were sold at $5 each, that means that 6 cards were sold at $2 each, right? Now, we need to use this information about our average. The average price was $3 per card. So we need to find our average. Here we know that 6 $5 cards plus 6 $2 cards over our total cards will give us the average. So let's just simplify this. 6 times 5 is going to give us 30. 6 times 2 is going to give us 12. 30 plus 12 is 42. And 42 divided by 12 is 3.5. So the average, if we had bought 6 $5 cards, would be $3.50. But that's a little too high. We want our average to be $3. So we know it's not 6, and we know it's too high, so let's try a lower number. Okay? So now let's try 4. Let's say we bought 4 $5 cards. Well, if we bought 4 $5 cards, then that means that we have 8 $2 cards. Okay? So now we want to find the average. We want our average to be $3. So we have 4 $5 cards plus 8 $2 cards over our total amount of cards, which is 12. When we simplify this a little bit, 4 times 5 gives us 20, plus 8 times 2 gives us 16, all over 12. 20 plus 16 gives us 36, and 36 divided by 12 gives us 3. So that means that if we buy 4 $5 cards and 8 $2 cards, it averages out to $3, and that's exactly what we want. So therefore, B is our answer.